so excited for this video. अभी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करती, तुम लोग ने टाइटल देख ही लिया होगा. It is our first ever Q&A. Yes, you got it right. It's our first ever Q&A and I'm super duper excited. If you all don't know, मैंने कुछ दिनों पहले Instagram पे एक स्टोरी डाली थी ये पूछ के कि Do you all want me to make a Q&A video, and if yes, please send your questions. To be honest, मेरे को इतना expectations नहीं था कि questions आएंगे. I just thought कि maybe a couple of you will react to the story and send me like 4 to 5 questions. But trust me, not 5, not 10, not 15. I nearly got 20 to 24, 21, 22, 23, 24 questions. I don't really know. I didn't count. बाद में सुनिएगा. I am really overwhelmed by looking at the response. Also, अगर लोगों को लगता है कि मैंने खुद से खुद को questions भेजे and उसका मैं सबूत साथ लाई हूँ. See, हाँ, if only you all can see, these are all the questions which you all sent me and I will be answering all of them. I'm so excited. Oh, control. So, but मैंने कुछ लोगों को पूछा था and it seemed like they really didn't want their name to be mentioned in the video. So, मैंने equally सबका नाम हटा दिया है and I've just kept the questions. So, the questions will appear on the screen but their names will not be visible. So, the first question is, what is your hobby? I have too many hobbies. आधे तो अभी मेरे को याद भी नहीं है. But, hey, if one thing comes to my mind while I am asked this question, the first one would be content creation. सिर्फ खुद के videos बनाने में नहीं, but also I shot a video for my church a few weeks before and I even shot a few videos for the farmers protest rally a few months back. So I feel that content creation is something which really helps me to keep going and be better every time I do something new. Second hobby, if it is, I feel it's music. I am way much into music. I've been playing instruments since my high school. In fact, primary. I used to play flute. I still have flutes at my home. I played flute since I was in my 5th grade because I was a part of my school band. Apart from flute, I do know a little bit of guitar and keyboard, which since a few years before, but I don't really feel like I learned up to the mark and I just recently joined keyboard classes. Third one, if you feel, it's writing. Yeah, it's writing. Poetries, या फिर just bringing my thoughts down on the paper and I feel it really gives me peace. So that will be my third hobby. And fourth hobby, यार to be honest मेरे को याद नहीं है. I really can't remember on the spot and मेरे को दूसरे भी questions cover करने हैं. So yeah, first will be content creation, music, writing, eating pizza will be my fourth one. So okay, let's move on to the second question. Why did you name your YouTube channel The Bee? Okay, so let me give you a very practical answer for this question. All the people since I started the channel are asking me, why did you name your YouTube channel The Bee? अभी मेरे को बोलने में शर्म आती है, but let me admit it. Okay, so I feel a bee is somebody who goes flower to flower and collects nectar. Obviously, just not one bee does that, but all bees do that, and then they come together and form something incredible, which is called the honeycomb. So I feel that I'm someone who collects content to content because I'm someone who really likes socializing. So I meet different people, go to different places. I love interaction and that is the reason I get a lot of content from my surrounding and then I come and I come together with my thoughts and my creativity and then form something very incredible, which is called content. That was not a practical answer, but anyways. I'm so sorry अगर तुमको फंडा समझ में नहीं आया तो, but that is how I named my channel The P. Third question, how long does it take to make a YouTube video? Really impressed by this question because अभी ये question का आंसर देने के टाइम पे I'm seriously not going to do comedy. Because not only me but all those people out there who create content and people who know that people they know create content know this fact very well कि just creating or just shooting a video for your YouTube channel does not really not only consumes a lot of time but it also takes a lot of efforts and dedication to do it. And personally I feel, if you ask me, 4 to 5 hours shooting the video, because I'm someone who has मैंने first video में भी बोला था I have a habit of fumbling. I fumble every now and then. So YouTube videos बनाने के टाइम पे I have to be very careful with my speech as well as बहुत टाइम ऐसा भी recently ये कितना मैंने कभी शुरू किया था 8:45 को, अभी 9:45 हो रहा है, ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटा. एंड मैंने जस्ट 5-10 मिनट पहले मेरा इंट्रो ऑफिशियली शूट करके ख़त्म किया. मैं 8:45 से लगी हुई थी बट वीडियोस weren't, my intro wasn't up to mark and I was fumbling a lot because I was really nervous. So I feel कि एंड अभी वीडियो शूट करने के बाद भी आई हैव टू सिट एडिट इट, देन यू नो जब मैं अपलोड करती हूँ उसके लिए थंबनेल बनाना पड़ता है, देन आई हैव टू राइट अ डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर माई वीडियो एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग. अगर if you are someone, okay, I pray that you are not, but if you are someone who feels ki shooting a YouTube video is just switching on the camera, bluffing something, stopping the video and then uploading it as it is, then that's not the case. That's really not the case. Moving on to the third question, what's your channel name? What kind of question was that and why did you choose to insult me? Fifth question, why do you want to make YouTube videos? Like, what drives you to do it? As I said, I love interacting with people, and apart from that, I really love the idea of, like, you know, filmmaking videos, like, you know, the different kind of angles, the way one communicates through the visual media. I feel it's really cool and uber, but even if you go to my YouTube history, the most of the time you'll find is behind the scenes, making of the movie. You know, I just keep on researching about how movies are made than actually researching about the actual content in the movie. Sixth question, do you take care of your hair? I mean something like hair routine, because I love the curls. Aww, thanks. I recently started taking care of it because I was getting a bunch of hair fall which was not right, and I literally started getting, did I just pop? I really started working on my hair. Okay, so if you ask me what is the actual secret of my hair being this nice, I would say oil for my hair is must, because it really, like, I feel my hair cannot survive without oil. So every now and then, like at least twice to thrice a week, I oil my hair and I make sure that they are well oiled. My scalp absorbs all the nutritions and all the... My mom's talking, I don't know why. Mama, I'm shooting a video! Anyway, I feel कि routine तो है, and routine सिर्फ इतना ही है कि my hair cannot survive without oil. So I use onion oil. I recently started using onion oil 2 months ago, and it really stopped my hair fall, which at one time was giving me a lot of tension. I didn't want to lose my hair at all. So I feel ki, yeah. And apart from that, I make sure that I don't comb my hair every day, but I feel like combing your hair also reduces hair fall and makes your hair look flawless. I feel that onion products work really good for my hair, and thank you so much for giving that compliment. I mean, you said you love my hair, so I take it as a compliment. 7th question is your favorite book. I have just read 3 books till now in my life. Okay, so but if any book which has to be my favorite, it will be the first ever book I read, which was given by my cousin Anisha Tai to me, which was Can Love Happen Twice. And I really loved the way Can Love Happen Twice is written by Ravinder Singh, who is another amazing writer, and I love the way he writes and he expresses his feelings, his thoughts in the book. So what was the book's name now? Can Love Happen Twice by Ravinder Singh is my favorite book because it's my first book. I mean the first book I read. So the 8th question is, what are your hobbies and show them? Well, I covered the hobby thing in my first question, but did I just say question? Okay, I covered the answer in my first question, but I feel like as you've asked me to show them, I won't disappoint you. Well, I'm not going to play any instrument because I'm not in a mood right now, but as I said, I am into music, and I would like to sing a song for you, like just a few lines. So let me think, what song should I sing? Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. The singing was not up to the mark because I'm pretty nervous. That's not how I sing in real, but it was close to it, and I'm proud of what I did. Okay, so next question is, what do you want to pursue? Okay, so I actually want to pursue journalism. I want to become a journalist, a criminal journalist / investigative journalist, because it's something which really like looking at the present situation, looking at the politics, looking at the corruption, looking at things which remain unnoticeable, or things which people do not actually want to give their attention to because they feel that that will risk their lives. I feel that's what I want to be. I want to be a journalist and work for the betterment of my country and prove that not all journalists are fake, just bluff news or bluff rumors. I mean, yes, journalists do that, but not all. So I just want to switch this thinking off, and yeah, I want to pursue journalism. From where do you get inspiration for your videos, poems and songs you sing? I feel the answer to this question will be way much simpler. I am not someone who has a particular taste when it comes to making videos or singing songs or writing poetries. Well, all of the things I do, like singing a song or making videos or just writing, are things which somewhere or the other come from within, and it's not inspired by anyone else but me, my personal life, and the problems I've been through, the people I have been with. And I feel that somewhere or the other, all of these which I do or I, like, showcase in front of you all are all personal life inspired. So I feel that if it has to be inspired by someone, it is me. Okay, so the next question is, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Oh, this is a really good question. I feel that next 5 years, preferably working, and if there be, well, I really want that this channel touches another level, but if it does, I would really see myself being one of the content creators, which is maybe difficult, but hope for the best and keep praying and keep loving and supporting me, because this is all because of you all. So मैं वीडियोस बनाऊंगी लेकिन व्यूज नहीं आएंगे तो फायदा क्या? But I know you all are very sweet, so thank you so much. 5 most amazing things that have happened to you, that have happened in your life. Okay. Firstly, okay, so I don't want to brag over here as well, but the first thing which happened to me, the best thing which happened to me, like the amazing thing which happened to me in my life is, number one is the support of my parents when I asked them if I could start my own YouTube channel, and they did support me and they told that it's a yes. So I feel that if they did not give me the actual permission and liberty and freedom to shoot videos, I would have not really reached here. And also they encourage me a lot, so I feel that my parents supporting me in whatever I do is the first most amazing thing happened to me. Second most amazing thing has to be me entering my dream college. Third most amazing thing, if it has to be thought of, then it would be meeting Prajakta Kohli, because she has been amazing and I really love the way she creates content, and also she's really friendly. I mean, I had this thing कि यार real life में भी ऐसी होगी कि नहीं होगी, but trust me, she's really amazing and she's way too sweeter than what she's on her social media and YouTube videos. So she's really amazing. Fourth thing, if it was then getting the right people in my life, because I have been somebody who has struggled a lot when it came to choosing friends. So I feel like the people you be with play a very important part in your life, and I feel that right now all those people who are a part of my life are way too cooler, and they cooler in the sense they keep me cool. कहीं ना कहीं थोड़े बहुत होते रहते arguments, but yeah, I feel that right now all the people in my life have really helped me stay calm and stay healthy. There are not too many people in my life, but there are. So I feel ki they've played a really important part in my life. The fifth most important and amazing thing happened to me was me accepting myself, because as I said, I had so many complications in my own self that I just couldn't express myself to anyone, because I felt like I myself did not know what is wrong with me or what has to be done right to me. but I feel like accepting myself, like my appearance, the way I talk, the way I look, my thoughts, just everything was something which I struggled to accept. And that is how slowly I understood that how important it is to accept yourself, and just don't give a damn to anyone, literally anyone who stops you from becoming what you want to become. And the first ever step is self acceptance, and I feel like that was the fifth most amazing thing happened to me. So this question was really lovely. Moving on. Okay, so the next question is, do you feel loved when you see most of the people supporting you? This is unexpected. Trust me, मेरे को नहीं पता था कि लोगों का सपोर्ट मुझे मिलेगा. लोग मेरे को आके बोलेंगे कि dude, your videos are great, we love what you're doing, but at the same time criticism important है. क्योंकि इवन ऐसा नहीं है कि जो लोग तुमको क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे लाइफ में वो तुम्हारी वैल्यू नहीं करते या वो तुम्हें सपोर्ट नहीं करते. इवन ग्रोइंग अप, even my parents have criticized me somewhere or the other when it came to, like, the way I saw things, and the way my perspective was. Like, they gave me a complete different insight of things, which was criticism, but at the same time it really helped me to look at one thing from different perspectives. But when it comes to support, I feel like even if you criticize me, I will not claim you as my hater, because I feel that a person criticizes only when he sees your work properly, he notices, he observes your work properly. And I feel like they really kept me. So even all those who are watching this video, thank you so much for being there and supporting me, and I really feel loved, blessed and happy to do what I do just because of you all. So thank you.